Alright, you guys, we are here at the Nipsey Candle Vigil. Here's Justin.
Hey, what's up?
See. Okay. What impact did Nipsey put on all of us?
Everything. We want to help his community, got everybody together, and hustle motivated for the marathon.
Facts.
We'll be just fine. We ain't finna wait no more, so don't waste my time. Remember when we had no way, no way. We'll be okay for now. We'll be okay for now.
What up? Let me get a mic with you. Come on, bro. Got your camera? Yep, here we go, right here.
Did Nipsey help the community and everyone's community around the world?
I feel like a lot of the things he did were for LA, but in doing that, it made a lot of us see that it's possible. It made a lot of us understand that it doesn't matter where you come from. And more importantly, your past doesn't matter. Everybody has a past and we all can change. It doesn't matter what you did, it's what you do. And that's what's important. That's what everybody needs to understand. I feel like not everybody's quick to build them up when we do something right. I also feel like a lot of the young people need to see the way you live, no matter, everybody has an inspiration day. But what is important is how you remember
16, man.
when you die. You can be remembered for positivity and uplifting people and carrying people on and changing lives. Or you can be remembered for doing what you weren't supposed to. It's a big difference when somebody's saying you were a good person when you die and they actually mean it. When I go, I want people to mean it. The marathon continues. I had goals set. I'm a little bit lazy in my situations. I take my time, but for me, now I understand it's time to get it. It's time to get it. If I don't, who will?
Community, how do you think we could carry out his legacy?
We definitely need to help our own community more like he was doing. Without needing haters. We need to come together everywhere. And just help people like he's doing, help your own community. A lot of people can't need to do that. So let's continue his legacy that way.
Y'all, it's crazy how much he has impact everywhere around the world. Every time somebody blow their horn, realize what this was over here. It's wild. This is really nice though. As a community, we need to come together and make sure that we have each other's back and continue his legacy for real, because he was a good example and a good role.
Just telling the homies, G's, B's, and C's, man, they the only way, all sides are telling you.
I did this on faith. I did this thinking in my heart that I had to do something. It didn't matter who showed up. If me and these pictures were the only people out here, that's what it was going to be. But I appreciate that it wasn't. As I've been saying to a couple of people that I've spoken to, I feel like as a culture, we have to be there for each other. Everybody's quick to get on us when we do something wrong, but I think we have to make sure that we celebrate us when we do something right. I didn't know this brother, but this brother, not knowing me, did everything he could to uplift me without even knowing I was here. So I feel like I have to make sure that I represent for this brother, not knowing him, because he represented for me. I feel like I have a little bit more wisdom. I feel like I got a little bit more go-get-it in my system. I feel like we as a culture need to come together and get it done. It doesn't matter how you live. It doesn't matter about your past. It doesn't matter what mistakes you made. We all make them. We all have to go. We all have an expiration date. The difference is, what are people going to say when you're gone? How is your legacy going to live? Are your family, your kids, your brother, your sister, your mother going to be proud? Everybody can say when somebody passes away, no matter who they are, that they was a great person. But I want to make sure when I go, people mean it like they meant it about Nip. I want to make sure when people say she was a good person, they mean it, because I was. The floor is open. Anybody can say anything. This is for all of us. I got a microphone if you feel like your voice can't reach. If not, anybody want to say anything? Please have the floor.
Saying that to say, forget whoever who knew for the party and none of that. Because at the end of the day, we all one people. You know what I mean? And like the young lady who spoke before, she mentioned that this young man, he rap for all of us, not even knowing who we are, what we represent, where we come from, and none of that. But he stood tall for all of us, you know what I'm saying? And unfortunately, he gave his life at the same time for all of us. You know what I mean? So for me, when I stay, when I leave here, I just think about every day what my legacy gonna be. You know what I'm saying? And how I'm gonna treat my fellow man while I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Because being in this moment and while I'm walking this earth, at the end of the day, I can only deal with one person at a time. But once I leave from here, my energy can go everywhere. And that's what I see from Nip. I never met this man in my life. I seen all his interviews, I heard all his music, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't never felt his energy until he crossed over to the other side. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I want everybody out here to understand, that while we here on this side, we giving out energy. You know what I'm saying? We giving vibes to people, so make sure that you're putting out the best vibe possible. You're giving out the best energy possible, you know what I mean? So that way, whenever you do leave, we not having funerals no more, we having celebrations. You know what I mean? And that's what I want everybody out here to take with y'all. When we lay our head down to rest, let's have a celebration, you know what I mean? Be the best version of yourself while you're here. You know what I'm saying? That way all the other stuff gonna fall to the wayside. You know what I mean? I don't know who out here got kids, but that little man's over there in all gray, that's mine right there. You know what I mean? So when I leave from here, whatever the people saying about me, he gonna hear it. You know what I mean? And I'm praying that at the end of the day, I'm the one that he has to bury me. You know what I mean? I don't want it the other way around, but when I'm laid down, you know what I'm saying? What's said about me is what his ears is gonna hear. So I'm gonna do my best to be the best version of myself, be the best person, man. And I want to just ask the child do the same thing at the end of the day, and that's it. You know what I mean? R.I.P. King Nip, we love you, and you will never be forgotten. And like everybody else said, the marathon gonna definitely continue. I promise. If it ain't nothing but me, it's gonna continue. You know?
Everything, but don't let this just be a phase. Like, don't let it die down. He got plenty of music. He's on every platform, Spotify, Apple Music, whatever, and he owns all his masters to all his music, so all that money going to Cross to Imani and Lauren. So just go down all his music, everything that he talked about, everything he preached in his interviews, whatever, is all in his music. All you gotta do is listen. And that's it.
Volume 1, 2, and 3.
Ocean view, small surface, chosen few. I wrote it down and I followed through. I brought it down and we wrote it few. I talk shit, but she know it's true. Ocean view, small circles, chosen few. I wrote it down and I followed through.